Hey y'all, let's get into some makeup. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join the slay squad because we be slaying over here, okay? Period. About to slay some makeup, y'all already know. This is like my inspo for the day. Inspo number 1. Inspo number 2. Let's get it. First, I'm going to moisturize my face using this moisturizer from Bioma. Now I'm going in with this primer from e.l.f. Now I'm about to go in with a red lip liner to draw the triangles. Okay, so I have my outline and I'm going in with this foundation from Maybelline. We got that Fenty Beauty on a concealer. I forgot to put concealer on this side. Hey, concealer is blended and I'm going in with a little bit of contour from Morphe. Blend it out. Blend it out. Ooh, for setting powder, Laura Mercier One Size Sweet Honey Translucent. Yeah, I'm about to play with this old Morphe palette that I've been having for years. I'm about to go in with one of these red colors. it's finally time for me to do the finishing touches. I'm about to go in with some lashes and finish up this look. It's literally eating so far, like, yes. Y'all, this is the finished look. I literally slayed this look per usual. I'm debating on if I want to add this little hat to the look. Yeah, I think I should add the hat because it just literally brings out the whole finishing look. Hey, if y'all like this look, make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.